Do your customers know what their auto insurance policy covers? We're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by ProFirst. Visit our websites for more information.
Most consumers purchase an auto insurance policy because they know they need one, but they don't read it. Then they're surprised when certain things aren't covered after they get their vehicle repaired. Here are some things you can educate them on. The automobile insurance policy is a binding legal contract, so be sure to read it. A standard policy will pay for covered repairs up to the fair market value of your vehicle, less any deductible you have chosen for your policy. This value can be significantly lower than the cost of replacing the vehicle or the loan balance. If the vehicle is financed or leased, they may need gap insurance in order to be reimbursed any difference between what they owe and what the vehicle is worth. In addition to gap insurance, many companies offer replacement cost coverage to cover the total cost of replacing a new vehicle in the event of a total loss. Insurance companies are stepping up their specification of non-OEM parts, salvage and aftermarket parts, on repair estimates. However, some insurers have specific additional premiums to add the right to repair with all OEM parts. Consumers should check with their insurer about how much this will add to their premiums. Today's vehicles use more advanced high-strength steels, exotic metals, and composite materials than ever before. They include highly advanced crash avoidance and safety system technologies. According to CrashRepairInfo.com, it is critical for these systems to be repaired with parts that will deliver the intended level of form, function, performance, and safety the vehicle engineers originally specified. Some state governments have specific rules regarding the use of non-OEM collision parts, so make sure your customer knows their rights when it comes to their auto insurance policy. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.